Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the Bluehost affiliate program. We'll be discussing how you can join it, promote it, and make some money with it. The program offers a generous commission rate and they have a large customer base, so there's definitely potential to earn some good money. And for those of you who are unfamiliar, Bluehost is a web hosting provider that offers a variety of hosting solutions for websites and online businesses. They provide services like shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, WordPress hosting, and so much more. It has grown to become one of the largest and most well-known web hosting companies worldwide. And some key things to know about Bluehost is that they are known for having reliable servers and good uptime. Their prices are very reasonable and competitive. They offer shared hosting starting at just $295 per month. They also make it easy to get started with features like one-click WordPress installation. So in a nutshell, all of this tells us that Bluehost provides quality, affordable web hosting solutions for all different types of businesses and websites, and their services can be a great fit whether you're a beginner blogger or running a large e-commerce site. This gives us a clearer idea of the target audience that we want to be promoting the Bluehost with using our affiliate links. Alright, so now on to the main topic: how can you make money promoting Bluehost? Bluehost actually has a very attractive affiliate program that pays a generous commission rate. And as an affiliate, you can earn up to $65 for each qualified sign up that you refer. So that means if you get 10 people to sign up for Bluehost hosting through your affiliate link, you could potentially earn $650 in commissions, which is not bad at all. And affiliate marketing with web hosting companies like Bluehost is great because web hosting is something that every website needs. You don't have to convince people that they need it, and Bluehost already has a large customer base and brand recognition. So you'll be getting $65 per commission per qualified sign up and 30-day cookie duration. Payments are issued monthly and the minimum payout is $100. They will also provide you with all the banner ads, text links, product links, and other promotional materials that you need. You just have to drive traffic and get signups. And to join the Bluehost affiliate program, you need to sign up through an affiliate network called Impact. Impact is a large affiliate network that contains thousands of brands that you can promote. But if you want to join directly with Bluehost, then all you have to do is search in Google Bluehost affiliate program, and it will redirect you to the page to fill out the application form that is also powered by Impact, but you won't need to go to their website. You'll be prompted to enter your basic information such as your full name, email, username, password, and also all the company information that they need to verify that you have an up and running kind of traffic source and the business model that you will be promoting with. The information that you need to input for the application form is very simple and straightforward. It won't take more than a couple of minutes of your time to fill out. Once you've applied and sent your application, all you have to do is wait for the approval, which can take a few days. And once you're approved, you will see Bluehost appear in your account and you can start generating affiliate links right away. Once you've joined the Bluehost affiliate program, it's time to start promoting and referring signups. And the most effective ways that you can promote as an affiliate marketer is first your website. You should add text links, banners, reviews about Bluehost, and focus on pages related to web hosting or starting a blog, maybe building a website, and so on. Another great example is YouTube and social media. You can create posts or video reviews and tutorials about using Bluehost for hosting different types of sites, or sharing Bluehost promotions and discounts across your social platforms. Short testimonial videos also work great. You can run paid ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram if you can afford it to promote Bluehost offers. That way it's also easier to target website owners or bloggers and so on. And the key is to reach website owners who are looking for a hosting provider. So focus on the benefits of Bluehost like reliability, affordability, their 24/7 support, and so on. But of course, always make sure that you use your unique affiliate link so you can get credit for the signups. And that wraps up things on how you can make money as a Bluehost affiliate. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.